Hello everybody and welcome to Bell CB. We have a Magnum S-45HP for Bobby in Texas. And it's a tune-up report. Bobby, on the swamp meter over here, we have 30 watts across the bottom scale, coming in about 16 there. And on this one over here, 100 watts peak power right across the bottom scale with U40, 60, 80. Audio check, 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 check. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. And audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Okay. I'm kind of rushing through today because UPS is coming soon. I want to get this one gone. Time for Christmas. Oh, what a mess. How about at 19? Can I get a radio check, please? Break, break. Thank you much. Have fun.